Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy Jonesy. Today we're going to be installing the NIA rear diffuser extension, I guess you would call it, on my 2017 IS350 with the optional fourth brake light. So this color matched to my paint code, which is caviar. And so let's just take a look at some of the stuff that comes in the package. Alrighty, so we have air freshener. Looks like it's a little business card and the 4 push pins that are going to be used to install the diffuser. And then there's a couple of, I guess, little ads here. We have a brochure which gives you everything that you need to know about the NIA auto design team. Chris is actually a cool guy. He keeps in touch with you throughout the process, and he checks up on you when you get your product to make sure everything installs smoothly, and if you have any questions, etc., etc. So he's a cool dude. He'll add you on Instagram too. So that's the brochure. It also comes with the required comes with the necessary hardware to tap into your existing brake wire. Alrighty, so we got this clip right here. We got this, actually just spins right off, and then we're gonna lift that and try to get this as good as possible. But you see this right here, kind of blocking the light, can't really see it that well, but anyway, so this right here, there's actually, like, just flip it up. Just use this, just flip it up like that, and there's a 10mm right in there, you can see. And we're also going to have a couple of push pins. There's one right here, there's one on each side, and then there's one in the middle. So just, alright, so we're going to go ahead and take care of this. So just pop the pins off really quick, like so. They pop out, should pop out easy. Sometimes they're a pain, depending on how many times you've taken them out before. Alrighty, and then this just screws off. You can see. And then we have another one. Just pop it out, put it somewhere safe. I recommend if you do like to work on your car a lot, like in the interior or whatever, that you just order a bunch of replacement pins, you know, just for because you're going to end up breaking or losing some of them eventually. So we just take our 10mm, oops, just take our 10mm out like that. If you don't have power tools, then what's wrong with you? But so since I have a whole bunch of like a subwoofer and all that in here, as you can see, it's kind of beat up because I've had it for 10 years, actually longer than that. So I really don't feel like taking my sub and all that out. It's not necessary. So we just take this piece all out of there, and then just pop this piece out that you loosened up from the 10mm, and then we're gonna remove these clips right here. You can get on like that. everything over there. This just pops up like that. Alright. This, there should be like a little spot you can press. Alright, so thing looks to be, I don't know if it's color coded or not. Let's see. Where's my blade? Alright. So I think everything should be color coded here. I'm not sure. Alright, so unfortunately the wiring harness that they give you doesn't match the harness in their installation video. I'm not sure why, I don't know, you know, maybe it was a mistake, whatever. But I mean, I guess you could kind of figure it out yourself. You see these are all different colors. They're not the same colors as the wires that connect to the actual diffuser. So you got white goes to white, and then black to green, red to red. So basically green is gonna be your ground wire, right? Because it matches up with the black. So black is typically ground. Now, and on the actual light harness, black is ground. So that one was pretty self-explanatory. The white and the red one, okay, so I have the white one, I have the white one set up to connect to the red and black. And then I have the red connected to the green and white. So that's what I did. Again, the video on their YouTube channel didn't have the same color, didn't actually have the same type of harness. I guess they upgraded the harness or something to make it easier to, you know, plug and play. That's cool, but I just had to kind of figure it out myself, which, you know, it's pretty straightforward, but it'd be nice if everything matched up, you know, if they had a little consistency. But I guess over time they improved their harnesses and whatever. So I don't like using the those type of splice connectors that they use. I like the ones where these kind right here, where you can kind of just disconnect them whenever you want. So they kind of just plug in, like they go in like this, they plug in, and then you can just disconnect them whenever you want to. You don't really have to go through a whole bunch of prying, and then you risk damaging the wire if you want to, you know, take this off or do whatever. All right, so let's go ahead and cut that grommet that's right over here behind. You should be able to see it. It's right here where my hands are. There's a grommet here. You just cut a little slit so that you can put your connector down in there, and that's it. All right, and now we're gonna get our diffuser. And all the push pins they gave us, dump that right out. And let's take this plastic off of this brake light. All right. So, oops, sorry guys. So, again, this is it right here. These should line up. If they don't, then you kind of have to push the connectors over a little bit, but that's that. Ready, just tuck everything in so it kind of slips in like that, but see if you can tuck some of these wires in there. So it goes over just like that. So you don't have to do this over and over. Like I said, that one here. Let's take this one. This over here in this corner. This wire, cut there. That looks first. Alright. That one in there. Alright guys, so we're going to take a look.